It's time to go looking for metal. Let's go get this stuff in the truck, Grandpa. Thanks for coming on the journey. I appreciate you guys every day. All right, Grandpa, let's throw this little sweet metal into the truck. Let's go. All right, some more metal goodness to get in the truck. Pick through some of this, get this shelf into the truck. Let's go, Grandpa. Ooh, I see a chair. Can't take the TV though, but here we go. Trash truck coming down the alley. Had to run backwards with the barbecue I just found. Still got time. Gonna get it in the truck. All right, got a call to pick up some more metal. Guy's doing a cleaning up his, changing out his backyard. So man, we're really filling up the truck with a lot of goodies right now, and just got to get this bunch into there, and I'm gonna figure it out. Thank you so much for coming on the journey. Probably not the heaviest load, but somebody text or send a message to us, Charcuteries by Pam. Let Mrs. Costa know that Grandpa's got another load. Man, so blessed. We'll get this done a little later today. Oh, this truck don't run on good intentions. But that's why we always take a little bit out of what we score to help pay for stuff. Fuel being one of them. And here we go. Oh, no problema. ¿Alumino? Sí. Got it. All right, man. Always love to help out. So, like, I got this call today. They found me on Instagram, and the guy was like rebuilding their backyard. And so saw this like framing, outdoor fireplace, all kind of stuff. All metal though, but not generally the most heavy stuff in the world, man. But it took like only 20 minutes to load all this because it wasn't heavy. And they're real cool, man. They put it on the driveway for me. So here we go. Kind of a quiet night at the scrapyard. For now, things been known to change. I gotta tell you, that cardboard truck is fine. Oh my God. Hope you ain't making payments. Oh yeah. The stainless. I don't care. Get it out. Don't get hit, Grandpa. Rebar. Barbecue. See you later, alligator. Banging and clanking. Thanks for coming on the journey. We got a clean truck for tomorrow. There's a South Bay community where I live. It's called like Redondo Beach, Torrance. And I'll try and schedule my stuff once a week to go out in that area. Now forget this. Just don't fall, Grandpa. All right, man. Found some copper wire. We'll keep that, sweetheart. All right. Get ready to dump this biggin. Little fast. 1, 2, 3, go. Bye. I mean, like this. Like, what was... Man, it had to be outdoor fireplace. But wait, there's more. Boom. Okay, barbecue. Bye. Man, I know some will go, hey, don't put it with the shred, but like, guys, I got no place to store it. I don't. Got nowhere to go. So it's got to move on. On to the next. We'll see how we do today. Boom. Ah, my friend. My favorite axe. All right. Oh man, almost there. Make you think, but I gotta go. Too much to do tomorrow. Can't save every soul. Oh yeah, boy. Man, this is, if you remember earlier in the video, I ran like a third up the alley while the city truck was coming down the other way. Ran this thing backwards down the alley. Ah. I think the best days for these smokers is the same like people when they own fishing boats. It's like the best day is the first day, and then like the next best day is the day they sell it. Because it's just, I see too many of these. It's almost like exercise equipment. You know, they get, and you know, God bless you, man. Life is short. You should get some and enjoy it. But like, I see a lot of them out here. Oh man. Okay, there you have it. Let's go sweep it out, Grandpa, and get ready for the next day. I'm telling you, that's what my granddaughter would say. Bro, so one day, get calls. Guy found me on Instagram, 810 pounds, about 20 minutes to load it. It was only a couple hours work. I did have to get fuel, as you saw. But, you know, 70 bucks is 70 bucks. Plus, we got an empty truck and ready for the next day. And so keep on hustling. Thanks for watching. And hey, this recycling thing, it's paying the bills. Talk to you later.